Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Open the case, note the LED, and place both buds in. Use the original cable and a tested 5V/1A or higher adapter so you eliminate power variables. Carefully inspect charging pins and the cavity with a magnifier. Remove lint with a dry, soft brush or compressed air. Once done, try a short 5–10 minute charge cycle to see if LEDs change. This rules out firmware sleep modes versus hardware faults. You now perform the deeper fixes. Power off and remove both earbuds, then gently clean metal contacts with a 70–90% isopropyl swab, no dripping liquid. Next, execute the earbud factory reset. Hold the pairing buttons for the model-specified time or follow the case button sequence. This clears pairing bugs that prevent charging. After resetting, update firmware if available and repair to your device. Make sure to test charging behavior again, with the case closed and connected to power. You finish by isolating hardware causes and deciding next steps. Try a different known good cable and adapter and a separate USB port to rule out external power issues. If earbuds still won't charge, inspect pins for bent pins or measure continuity with a multimeter. A dead internal battery or blown charging circuit requires professional replacement. If the product is under warranty, contact the manufacturer for repair or replacement. If not, get a local electronics shop for board-level diagnostics as the last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.